Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on safe browsing in Google Chrome on iPhone. So this is my iPhone device, so let's start. So first of all you have to open your Google Chrome on your iPhone. So let me open mine. So here is my Google Chrome. Let me tap on this to open it. You can see guys it's opened, and after that you have to tap on this three dots at the bottom right, and then you have to tap on this settings. And you can see guys I have this settings. This is screen opened, and on this screen you have to tap on this sync and Google services. So let me tap on this, and I have this sync and Google services. This is screen opened, and you can see guys here we have this option safe browsing protects you and your device from dangerous sites, sends URLs of some pages you visit to Google when your security is at risk. So you can see currently I have this option turned off. So in order to turn it on, you have to tap on this toggle, this button next to this safe browsing, and move this slider to the right. So let me tap on this, and you can see it's now turned on. After that you can just tap on this done link at the top right. Let me tap on this. So that's it. In this way you can easily turn on safe browsing in Google Chrome on iPhone. So thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.